RAAF SFS Fire Training Ground reopening 2026. ShortsCars Security. This story about sharing. In 2026, the Royal Australian Air Force Security and Fire Schools, RAAF SFS Fire Training Ground reopened at RAAF Base Amberley after maintenance and upgrades. The training ground facility includes 3 training pads offering a variety of scenario-based training options. The opening of the training ground is significant for RAAF SFS courses and contributes to the Australian Defence Force's firefighting capability through the provision of realistic aviation fire training. Facility upgrades and capabilities. 3 training pads. Provides diverse, realistic layouts for simulated emergency scenarios. Enhanced safety systems. Upgraded infrastructure ensures modern environmental and operational safety compliance. Aviation focus. Supports critical pipeline training for defense firefighters handling modern Air Force rescue operations. Watch this official overview covering the reopening and capabilities of the upgraded RAAF SFS Fire Training Ground. Would you like information on the courses offered at the RAAF Security and Fire School or details on the new firefighting vehicle integration? In July 2026, the Royal Australian Air Force Security and Fire School, RAAF SFS, officially reopened its newly upgraded fire training ground at RAAF Base Amberley in Queensland, after completing scheduled maintenance and facility improvements. Facility upgrades. 3 training pads added to the complex. Scenario-based training options expanded for specialist courses. Realistic aviation fire training enhanced for Australian Defence Force personnel. Location: RAAF Base Amberley, Queensland. Mission: delivers initial employment and postgraduate training for security forces and firefighting specialists. Motto: security through training. If you would like, I can provide more details on the courses and structure of the RAAF Security and Fire School. Other major RAAF upgrades occurring in 2026.